Elevate your bathroom experience with the Luxe Bidet Neo 320. This bidet was sent to me for review. This sleek, easy-to-use bidet features dual wash modes, self-cleaning nozzles, and adjustable water pressure for a refreshing clean every time. The Neo 320 kit comes with all the parts and tools you'll need, including hoses, a T-valve, and even a wrench for quick installation. It's compatible with most two-piece toilets, making it an easy DIY project. Installation is straightforward. Start by removing your toilet seat, placing the bidet on top of the bowl, and reattaching the seat. Connect the water supply line to your toilet tank using the included T-valve. Although the hot water connection to the sink wasn't practical for my setup, the cold water alone works perfectly for a refreshing clean. Adjusting the pressure is as easy as moving the lever. The rear wash delivers a stronger, more focused stream for a thorough clean, while the feminine wash provides a softer, whiter spray aimed lower for comfort. The nozzles self-clean before and after each use and automatically retract behind a protective guard gate. I often care for elderly patients with functional disabilities. Proper hygiene is critical to preventing issues like asymptomatic urinary tract infections, which can lead to confusion in older adults. A bidet like this ensures effective cleaning, promoting better health for everyone in your home.